we received our BTS World Tour Speak Yourself, the final in Seoul merch last week. And this is gonna be our unboxing part 2 for this merch. And as you already know from our first video, we couldn't get the rings last time, right?
Right.
But luckily, Webley had a pre-order opened on October last year. Yes, last year. Last year. So I was able to buy all the items that I couldn't buy at the first release. Let's unbox this haul together.
Yay!
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Can't wait.
Oh my gosh. This is so exciting.
I'm so excited. I can't cut this up. Oh, okay.
You cut it up. Oh, you missed a spot.
I did, huh?
You couldn't get the spot. You forgot that spot.
Oh, look at Cookie!
Oh, poor Cookie.
Let's get them out.
Yeah, let's get them out.
Let's put them up there.
Them up here.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our second set of these premium photos. And the reason why we bought another set is because first of all, they are
It's so pretty.
so pretty, right? And we want to keep one set unsealed. And the other one we want to display on our wall right here.
Make it look beautiful.
Right? Look at J-Hope. I know you guys saw all of this already, you know,
Yeah.
but okay, just go through them really quick with us because every time we see this premium photo,
We just have to get another one.
Right.
We just have
ah, look at Jin.
to. Baby.
Baby, my baby
It's a
Tay.
baby.
Gosh, I love his little moles. Oh. Tay.
Jimin.
Jiminy.
Junie.
Oh, did you see? I didn't even pay attention to his eyes last time.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
contacts on.
So pretty.
He's just.
Junie rocked his hair color.
Junie rocks everything he does.
Yeah, that's true though. Jungkook.
Jungkook.
Jungkookie.
Cookie.
Jungkookie.
Yoongi. My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend.
boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
My
boyfriend. I love his eyes color. Oh my gosh, I can see Tata's phone case reflection on
Really?
this. It's so funny. No. So this is
Our second set of the premium photos.
our second set of premium photos.
Here are Pickets, guys.
I love this OT71.
Yeah, they're very nice quality, though, I have to say.
Just look at those sweet smiles. Oh my gosh. And they are big, huh?
Yeah.
So here's the back. Do you think we're allowed to bring the Pickets inside the concert? I'm not sure, huh?
I not know.
Anybody know? Please comment.
They're a little big. I don't know the count as size.
I just don't want to ruin them, you know?
I just don't want to bring them and then be like,
What
you
happened?
can't
We
bring
break
that,
them.
throw it in the trash. And I'm like,
Oh no. No, I think you can rent a locket or something like that, right?
Yeah, but what if it's in the locker?
Okay.
Cookie.
Oh my gosh. Look at Cookie's face. He looks like a little bunny there.
Junie.
Junie.
I see my boyfriend.
Junie. Eyes color is gray. It's gray in this photo. And I love it.
So handsome.
He is super duper handsome.
My boyfriend.
Oh, Sugar looks so soft here.
No, that's my boyfriend. You named him wrong.
Name him right. Just kidding.
Tay-Tay.
My baby Tay-Tay. They are all my favorites. Every single Pickets.
Jiminy Popple.
Jiminy.
Popple.
Look at J-Hope.
J-Hope.
I love his necklace. Must be gazillion dollars necklace.
Quadrillion.
Look at his smile.
His smile.
J-Hope. J-Hope.
Chin, 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 chin.
My super handsome chin.
Chin, 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 chin. Those are our Pickets. I love them all.
I love them all too. They are super, super duper beautiful. I'm so glad I got them all, but please you guys give me some idea how to display this, because I don't know how to display this at all. You know, all I do, really?
Duct tape them to the wall.
Because all I do is putting them on top of my shelf in the nylon wrap and keep them up there. So any suggestion, any advice would
help.
would be appreciated. Okay. And now let's open this one.
Bags for the babies.
Oh. So this is our mini flag set. We have all 8 of them. Here's Jimin.
Chim chim.
Okay, we better open this up so. Oh my gosh, look at Suga one.
My boyfriend?
Ah. Oops. What did I do? Did I break something?
No, that's just the stand for the flag.
So here's Jimin flag.
It looks like the ones that were at Rose Bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yep.
On the little poles. So here's our mini flags all put up on their stands and taken out of their boxes. They're all really cute. But I'm still confused on why the OT7 one's a midget.
He's like, for real, is the mini flag.
Yeah.
He's a baby. I cannot tell which one is my favorite. They are all my favorite.
Kind of like Jin's. Jin's is
Really?
really cute.
I love his smile. Yeah. But look at my Judy.
Judy's always cute. That doesn't count.
My J-Hope. Sugar. Jimin. Today, Cookie. And all the angels. Yeah, they are really cute.
They're beautiful. I love them.
I love them too. Let's move to our next items. Let's go.
So here's the rings, guys. We waited so long to get these. The first time we tried to buy them, the pre-order did not work out.
I'm so excited now. You know,
Yeah.
finally we get it. And each of us had one set.
I'm surprised we were able to get 2 sets.
Yeah, I think you're allowed to have 2 sets per order.
Yeah, but it was so hard to get the order.
Yeah, but this is a pre-order, so.
Yeah. I like the box. It's really cute.
It's really sturdy. So here's the front. And we have BTS logo on it.
And then we have a little towelette on the back, which you can clean your ring with.
Yeah, we have the polishing cloth here. The rings are sterling silver.
And they're all one size, but it's adjustable.
Cool. Here they are.
A Oh, look, it's our photo cards.
Junie's so cute.
Here are the rings, guys.
They look very well made to me. Oh, check that out. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes. Did you see that?
Yeah. So do you guys see the letters? It says BTS engraved in it.
I love the little detail like this.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And this is the second one.
And this one has ARMY engraved in it.
Oh.
So when you put them together, it's BTS and ARMY.
Together forever.
Together forever.
So cute. So we can wear the rings two ways, right?
Yeah, so this one's the ARMY logo.
Or you can
make it the BTS logo.
Yeah. Make it to BTS logo. Like this. I can see my Tata.
It's really cute though. I think it's very detailed.
It's so shiny. You can see Tata's little butts there on my ring. Okay, so that are the rings, right?
Yeah. Time to move on to the photo cards.
I'm so excited about the photo cards. So here's Junie. They are so thick and big.
Junie's so cute.
Junie's so cute. Junie's so cute.
That's my boyfriend.
It's Sugar.
My boyfriend. Jin.
Jin photo card.
They're all doing the same pose.
Not J-Hope.
Not J-Hope.
J-Hope, where's your fingers at, huh? I love his smiles.
See?
Right?
Jimin.
Jiminy.
Oh.
Oop. What are you doing, Tay-Tay? Goofball. Ooh.
Jungkook did the finger pose wrong.
He's shooting at me.
Yeah.
I'm dead. Okay, you guys, I don't think I can finish this video. Bye.
Goodbye forever.
Goodbye forever. Okay, so let's put them in this list.
Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Chin. Sugar. They're really cute. They are, huh? I love this photo set. J-Hope. Okay. Chim Chim. Chim Chim looks so handsome in that picture. And baby Cookie.
Cookie is dangerous, you guys. So here's the photo set. I absolutely adore this.
So with these badges, guys, we can only order
Two of them per order, right?
Yeah.
And we got 4 of them. So we have to order
Two separate
two of them
orders.
separately. Yeah. But I'm so excited because they come randomly. Do you know that?
Yeah.
And there's only one can batch in here. So we do not know which member we will receive. Let's open them up. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I'm too excited. I cannot even cut it right. Ready? Who do you think is in here?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend, Sugar?
Yeah.
I think this is J-Hope. Oh, Chin. Chin.
No, I think it's my boyfriend.
Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! She can baby Tay-Tay.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh! I'm so
My
happy,
second
you guys.
boyfriend. I was close.
Look how handsome he is.
So handsome.
I'm gonna put this on my bag, my concert bag. Can you decorate your concert bag?
Yeah, we gotta put it on like the sleeves though because you can't put it on the plastic.
Okay, who's in here?
That's also my boyfriend.
Again. Okay, they are all your boyfriends. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just want to know who is in here.
Do I get a smoothie out of it?
No.
Then it's my boyfriend.
Who's in here?
My boyfriend.
Okay, you get smoothie. You get a smoothie if you win.
Okay, it's Jimin.
Jimin?
Mm-hmm.
And I think this is Jin. Jin, 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 Jin. I love you, Jin. I was so scared. Oh, look at my Junie. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my
So
gosh.
handsome.
He's super duper handsome. Oh my gosh. I thought it was Jimin for a second.
I scared you, huh?
Oh, I love this can batch. So here's the back of it. They are quite big.
Yeah, they are. Okay, this one for sure is my boyfriend.
I wish I can have 10 of this can batch. I wonder if do they have the OT7 can batch?
That one's Jin.
This one Jin?
Yeah.
Okay, I think this one is J-Hope. J-Hope, 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 J-Hope.
No, it's Jin. I heard his voice in it.
Oh, oh.
Is that Jungkook?
He's your baby Jungkookie. Oh my gosh, he's so handsome.
So I just heard Jin yelling at
my
Jungkook. That's
gosh.
what I heard.
I love this. I love this can batch. Why big kids
This one's my
so
boyfriend. This one's my boyfriend.
stingy with this? Why can't we have just...
This one's my boyfriend. Like, for real, my
Oh,
boyfriend.
okay, so this one do you think is
My boyfriend.
Yoongi?
My boyfriend.
Okay, Yoongi. I get it. And I think this one is Jimin.
Chim Chim.
Jimin's is in here. Right, Jiminy? Who is this? I should stick with Jin. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe myself.
Jin's also my boyfriend, see?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this can batch. They are so
At
pretty.
least we didn't get any duplicates.
Right?
Why are they called can batches, though?
I don't know either.
You
Or
don't
maybe...
put them on cans.
No, maybe because of the backing. Feel like the can material. I have no idea. But anyways, here they are. Super beautiful. Oh, I wish I had more of this. So we're still missing our Hopi, Chimney, and your boyfriend,
And my boyfriend.
Yoongi. I still wonder if they have the OT7 can batch. If they do, we're still missing 4 of them.